Well, hello. I'm going to be unboxing from Goodwill an old army bag. Well, I didn't pay a whole lot for this, but it's definitely old. It's from 1945. But this type of bag it isn't what you actually think it is. Well, it is, but it's a earlier version. Okay. You may actually think this is a M1945 bag, but it isn't. You see here, these pieces, they're not found on 45 bags. These are found on M1944 Field packs for attaching the M1944 cargo packs. This was made in 1945. I do have one of these, but it's missing these, but that's for a reason. As you can tell from here, all you got are these parts right here. The 45 bags did away with these and attached buckles to them for attaching straps on the newer M1945 Field or cargo packs, which in my opinion is actually a lot more secure than sticking canvas tabs through these. I think a fully loaded cargo pack bouncing around on a pack that's held on by tabs, they're going to fall off. And in here you have a rubberized liner for keeping your stuff dry from, well, doesn't go all the way down, but in here you have various cargo compartments where you put your mess kit in there, toiletries. In this pocket you got this pocket you put your rations in, and you get two of these pockets. You can actually get a third and fourth one in here. Or you could put your like a ditty bag or a small bag in there and in there. Actually, it would be nice if, well, 45 packs also had the instructions on the on this. Also, another nice thing about this pack are the suspenders. These are detachable, which allows you to go and wear the suspenders separately. But I'll tell you one thing, these are a bitch to take off. And I literally mean it's a bitch to take off. Woohoo! And it does come with the M1944 suspenders. And it's made by Hoosier. That tells you this pack was made in Indiana. Because everybody knows Indiana's the Hoosier state. And I did pick this up knowing that it was missing a buckle, but that's what they make spare parts for. I bought this particular one years ago when I first got my haversack over there. That was missing a couple buckles. And these come in handy. So this is how you go and put them on. And here you go with the completed pack strap. See, this tab here allows you to hang your E-tool on it. And the handle straps down to here. Then you buckle it in like so. And this pack also contains another tab for putting your bayonet on, which goes down into this loop to allow you to, hang your bayonet. But here's another thing you don't know about these. See these D-rings? I'll show you what those are for. strap in the bag. Oh, never mind. Well, you take your GP, general purpose straps, and you hook them up to here to turn them into a shoulder bag. Or you could take two general purpose straps, hook them here and here, and turn them into a backpack. This makes this bag pretty versatile. But once you have the cargo pack on here, you don't use these clips. You clip this further down onto the cargo pack, which has D-rings on the bottom of the bag. You clip them onto there and it'll hold it firmly up against your back. And then you got these straps here and on top for allowing you to carry a bedroll. This is your strap for cinching down your lid. Yeah, I have plenty of practice doing this because I own two M1945 packs. Then you go, well, pretend you got a blanket roll up here. Cinch that down, pull this through. Your roll's secured here. Actually, this doesn't go there, and this doesn't go there. But it does keep it out of the way. But you go like this. And like this. And you would have a perfect horseshoe roll all the way around the perimeter of the pack, which would have been your blanket, tarp, well, tarp / poncho, then your shelter half, all rolled into a big roll down here. The cargo pack would have your tent poles, stakes, rope, and whatever else you're going to put into that. Of course, this would all be put onto your cartridge belt or pistol belt. I wonder if this one will actually be easier to get off than the 45 packs. Let's see. Yeah. Nah. I ain't gonna screw with that. As I said, this is a pain in the butt. Yeah, as I said before, these are fun little packs. They will actually hold more than a half sack. And with the cargo packs, you can actually hold even more. Yep. Oh, and then you get a little side pocket here for, like, you can hold almost anything in there. Yeah, it's got a little grind hole. More than likely, you could put your, like, if you had the small can of bore cleaner, you put that in there, or your compass, or whatever else that could actually fit in there. Oh, that's right. Oh, this is your strap for holding in the suspenders here. See that strap right here? You got keepers on the back of suspenders on here and here. So you could probably easily get these up a little higher. But yeah, pretty much if you're going to go and use this as a straight up backpack without having it on your belt, you're going to have to loosen these straps up a bit. Alright, that's it for today. Like and subscribe if you like this content. I'll see you again next time.